Hey everybody, I'm going to show you guys in this tutorial how you can get unlimited Shein points for free with this really easy trick. And basically you're going to be able to get unlimited clothes for free on Shein, guys. You get anything you want. It's going to be completely free, $0. You're not going to have to spend any money even on the shipping fees or anything like that. It's going to be all free, guys. This is a completely legal method. It's so insane. I'm going to show you guys how it works. But you're basically going to be able to get unlimited points for free. That's basically like the entire method summed up. But I'm going to show you guys step by step how to do it. It'll take like a couple minutes. Very, very easy to do. Let's get into it. Please leave a like on the video, subscribe, and now let's get right into it, guys. You are not going to want to miss out on this Shein method. Alright guys, so now I'm going to show you exactly how this works. It is pretty insane, so pay attention, guys, because you're going to be blown away by how insane this method is. So basically, on your iOS or Android device, we're going to be installing this app called the